The number of students applying for study visas to the US shot up by almost 20% in 2022 to 2023. And if you find yourself in the same visa queue, then this video brought to you by Shiksha Study Abroad is definitely for you. In the next few minutes, you will find out everything you need to know about getting the study visa to the US. Let's start with the different types of visas available and which category you should be applying to. F1, M1 and J1. If you are looking at a vocational or a technical school, you should be applying for an M1 student visa. If you happen to be a visiting scholar or lecturer pursuing an exchange program, you must be applying for J1 or J1 exchange visitor visa. But if you happen to be applying to a long duration full-time program that basically requires more than 18 hours of study in a week, then you should be applying for F1 visa. This is the most commonly applied to visa category and is applicable for both masters and undergraduate courses. Let's deep dive now into the application process for the F1 visa. Your visa process starts when you receive Form I-20 from your college. This form confirms your acceptance into the college and is a must-have for your visa application. You will then need to pay the CVIS fee amounting to USD 350, which is required to process your visa application. Although, we recommend that you pay the fee before you start your US visa application to speed up the papers in the system. After all, payment indicates the seriousness of your application. Once you have paid the CVIS fee and received a receipt, you can apply for DS-160 visa application form, which is an online application form. You will also need to schedule a biometric appointment and an interview appointment. At the biometric appointment, you will need to appear in person to get your photograph taken and your fingerprints scanned. The personal interview is where you will be asked questions about your choice of course, college, finances, and intent of coming back. If the interviewer is convinced, they will keep your passport to get the visa stamped. F1 student visas can be issued up to 120 days before the starting date of your course of study. But you will be allowed to enter the United States on F1 status at least 30 days before your start date. Now let's find out what documents you need to carry with you for your visa interview. Here's a checklist for all the essential documents. A valid passport, a printed copy of the DS-160 application form, the CVIS fee receipt, the interview appointment letter, original and copy, Form I-20 sent by the college, visa fee payment confirmation receipts, bank statements for at least 3 years, pay salary slips, original mark sheets, provisional certificates, score sheets of exams like TOEFL or IELTS, and either ACT or SAT for UG admissions or GMAT or GRE for PG admissions. Additionally, you will need to show the financial documents to prove your ability to support an education in the US. This could be income tax returns, property documents, fixed deposit certificates, and other proof of income. Remember, it's important to carry all the original documents and their photocopies with you to the consulate when you go for your visa interview. Now, if you look at the cost of the visa, then the applicant has to pay CVIS fee and the visa application fee, which is the MRV fee. CVIS fee for F1 visa is $350 at present, which works out to be approximately INR 26,256 given the current exchange rate. The visa application fee or the MRV fee is $160, which equals to INR 12,003 rupees. For your reference, the table on the screen shows the breakdown of different types of student visas and the modes through which you can make the payment. There you have it. Good luck with your visa application and we wish you all the best for your studies in the United States. If you found this video helpful, do like and share this video with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Shiksha Study Abroad channel for more such updates on the visa process.